Yes, and I'm actually delighted to get this question because one of the things we kicked off at the November 4th and 5th Cloud Computing Forum and Workshop was a NIST-led collaborative strategy to develop a U.S. government cloud computing roadmap.
Oh, wow. That's great.
And I'd like to put that in context a little bit for those who are not familiar with the National Institute of Standards and Technology. Our mission is to support the advancement of technology and innovation in the U.S., primarily focused on standards and measurement science. And in cloud, our efforts are primarily focused on standards, naturally. An underlying principle for NIST is to work very broadly with the private sector, including industry, consortia, academia, state and local governments, as well as the federal governments and the international community. So when we look at the strategy, we're looking at it from a very broad perspective in supporting the Federal CIO Council on a roadmap. And in the interest of time, I'll just cover a couple of things very briefly. Our tactical efforts in the May to November timeframe included security guidance, included progress in the standards acceleration to jumpstart the adoption of cloud computing, or SAGE project, which focuses on interoperability, portability, and security standards development, a complex computing simulation model, and of course, in the meantime, considering all the input we received from industry and government agencies to develop a strategy.
Right.
So we think we've come up with something that will be very effective in bringing together operational needs for the U.S. government to really hone on the issues and make sure our tactical efforts are focused. And it includes public voluntary workshops and working groups, and we kick those off, and there's a lot of information on our website about that.